Traiveon Lowry walks down the halls of the Brunswick Job Corps Center in Georgia.
I actually believe in if you put your mind to it, and that's what I've done here, put my mind to everything. And I feel like my future would be successful from Job Corps.
Traiveon studying to become a medical administrative assistant.
All right, thank you. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
He's also the president of the Student Government Association.
I'm Traiveon Lowry, SGA president.
Traiveon came to Job Corps after deciding he needed more in life.
Well, I chose Job Corps because at home I wasn't really doing anything. I had a high school diploma. It was hard for me to find a good job. I was tired of working at like fast food and tired of working as a server because I feel like I wasn't making any money.
He realized that in order to become self-sufficient and be able to take care of himself and his family, he needed the certifications and skills training Job Corps offers.
When you're in high school, it's okay to have a little check. But as you get older, it's like, okay, I'm starting to have more responsibilities. I have more things I want to do, more things I want to buy.
Now he's months away from completing the program and will leave Job Corps with a solid foundation for a new and exciting career in healthcare.